Happy Friday, everyone. It is Miss Harmon here with the Feel Good Friday shout out, and I am here to shout out our retirees. It's great for them. It's so sad for us because most of you, probably all of you, have been with us at least 15, 20 years or more. So thank you for remaining a part of Monmouth County Vocational School District and providing so much to your students. Miss Karen Jarmer, Mr. John Norkis, Mr. Tom Wegernick, Miss Deb Bedell, Miss Joan Lynch, Mr. Larry Robertson, Mr. Michael Roach, Miss Sue Romano, Miss Chris Wyatt, and Miss Temi Abrams. And finally, our leader, our mentor, our guide, Mr. Timothy McCorkle. We wish you the best. We will miss you so much. Enjoy the next chapter of your journey. Mwah. We love you.